You've inquired about information on credit repair services. Before you get started repairing your credit, you need to find out where you stand with your credit. And this is what we do for you, absolutely free of charge. There's no catch, absolutely 100% free. We do an in-depth credit analysis for you. I'll show you what that looks like right here. It's going to have a list of all your scores with Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. At the beginning, it's going to go over what a credit score is, the basics of it. A person with bad credit and good credit, the difference, a person with bad credit will have to pay more than a person with good credit. What is a credit bureau? Do you pay your bills on time? Then right here, you got a credit score ranges and their meanings. Below here, you'll have your credit score, and you can come up and you can see what category you're at. I'll show you that right here. So this is just a sample one right here. So 691, if we go up and we take a look, it's in the good range right there. Meaning the range is the average credit score. In this range, approvals are practically guaranteed. Then you go on down and it's going to show you a summary of collection accounts, current delinquencies, prior delinquencies. How many you have with Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This is going to be a list of your collections accounts that you have and who they're with, charge-offs, bankruptcy, student loans, hospital bills. Right here for public records, if you have any. Inquiries that you make on trying to get new credit, they're going to be listed right here. You need to make sure everything is reporting correctly on your credit report. Your credit utilization. And then your credit summary. This right here is absolutely free. There's no catch whatsoever. It's 100% free. And you get a chance to see where you stand with your credit and then what you need to do to start repairing your credit. So if you'd like to get this credit audit, just put your email address in the box below and then message me back on Facebook and I will get started on your credit audit for you.